Hi, I want to talk to you about belts and hoses and why they're really important to get maintained on your automobile. In fact, these are some of the most important things and they often get neglected. Everybody remembers to get the oil changed or this fluid changed, and then they miss on the belts and hoses. And then as the extreme temperatures and the humidity changes in the environment, these belts and hoses give away. And when you look at what's happening, let's say on a hot summer day, it's reaching 100 degrees, especially here in the Northwest, and you're on that trip with your family and you're headed up through the mountains or the hills and you see these people on the side of the road with the hood up and the steaming coming out, I guarantee you that's a cooling system problem, and I guarantee you there's a hose, and I guarantee you that hose is way old. It should have been replaced. It was probably noted and someone said, well, I don't want to buy that hose, blah. And now they've gone down the line and they have a problem. Now, I've seen hoses last 20 years, but I can tell you my garden hose doesn't make it more than 2 or 3 seasons here in Idaho laying out in the sun, and that's just for the summer. So why would this hose here on this vehicle make it when it's twice the temperature, right? It's got fluid running through it and it's under more pressure. So it's been well noted and it's been industry recommendations for many decades. Rubber, such as belts and hoses and even tires, should be done every 4 years, okay? Every 2 years the coolant should be replaced in these hoses. How do I know? Well, it doesn't necessarily one way or the other. Like I said, age. You can actually see sometimes the number from the manufacturer on the hose. Well, okay, if I have a 2017 Subaru, and I see it says Subaru on here, right? And my hose is 7 years old, my car's 7 or 8 years old, it's time. It's past time. And it's time to get those done. Now the hose is rot from the inside out, so on the outside the hose is going to look like a hose. But what happens is it's inside that the hose starts to come apart. Sometimes you can feel them if they're really bad and old brittle. But also today, a lot of times they get contaminated. People will accidentally put the wrong fluids or the wrong kind of radiator fluid in. They'll mix it, and this stuff will start to get a little bit of softiness and sponginess here. So that on your hoses, now that's what we're looking for. I recommend you have a professional technician look at the age of the hose and feel it for squishiness and brittleness, and overall look for those indicators. That's helpful. And then I want to talk about if this will work out right. I want to talk about in here, we're going to look at this. This is the belt. Belts are the same thing, right? So belts, nowadays, they used to crack. When they first came out with these crazy wide belts, they used to crack. Now they don't. Now what they're doing is they're wearing thin, and then they go and they strip out. They come 2 pieces of belts, and then they just fly off on you unannounced, right? And it's leaving you on the side of the road. When this happens, it's pretty dangerous. For some vehicles it loses the assisting brake, and most vehicles you lose power steering. That makes it very difficult. So if you're not somebody who can manhandle the car, you don't want your belt coming off. So again, every 4 years on that. And here's what I'm going to tell you about. If you don't know and you've owned the car for 4 years, it's time to get it done. It's something you need to track, just like the oil change, right? You're better to pay for a belt that might be $100 or $200 replacement and get the good belts on there than to go without and potentially have to get a tow bill and have a breakdown on the side of the road in the middle of the night kind of thing, where you don't really want to have that happen. And similarly to the hoses, right? So I hope this helps. If you notice here, maybe you did or didn't catch our new video, but we've got a brand new battery here in here. Those also, one of those things that cause breakdowns every 4 years. So if you can remember, and one of the best tools to do is, hey, this stuff needs to be done, just get it done. And then you know you got 4 years. Belts, hoses, and battery. together, that's maintenance and the fluids, and you're good. And that's what's going to keep you on the road.